Hello and welcome to our channel Vyomology. I'm Hiral, consulting astrologer and numerologist. Now today we will be talking about what to do when you have a weak sun in your chart. Now first of all, many of you will not be knowing what does a weak sun mean, and you don't also know how to look it in your chart. So I will give you some hints where you will get the right information, the right way to see whether the sun is good in your chart or not. Then how to judge that it is giving bad results in your life, and what to do when it gives bad results in your life. Can you change the consequences? Can you change your life to a better thing? Can you live it in a better way than what you're living it now? Yes, it is possible. So today I will disclose about what are the bad results when sun is not placed well in your chart. Now, if you don't know astrology but still facing the problems, you can better know that how the sun is playing a role, a vital role in your life. So, no need to learn astrology about it. So, first, let us know what does sun represent in your chart. Who are the people who act as sun in your life? What does the sun represent in your life and in your body? Number one, the sun is the soul of your body. So if you are having a problem, you are facing constantly constantly beaten up, constantly low self esteem, and constantly facing problems from any authority, then what happens to you? Maybe you are not bodily, you are not suffering, but you are suffering on the soul part. So that shows that you have a weak sun. Other thing is, you might be having some problems with your father or with your son or daughter. You might be having some problems related to the authority, the government, and the worst part is your vitality and your self confidence is being taken away from you. If you have bad sun, or sun is placed very badly in your chart, then you won't have a good vitality and a good self confidence in yourself. You will have immunity issues. The brightness from your face, the glow on your face just fades away if you have a bad sun in your chart. Poor physique, energy, no energy. You don't have the energy to do your karmas, to perform your actions. You don't have the energy to take the correct decisions in your life. Have so low self confidence, then dullness in body, and you don't have even ambitions in your life. Then if you have a problem with the sun in your chart, then your body parts, that is your right eye, then there will be some problems with your professions also, with your bosses also. You will have a problem of stomach, heart. Then the right side of your body will suffer. The right side of the windows of the house will be suffering. You can have some problems with your father-in-law. There will be deficiency of vitamin D, and you can have problems related to leukemia or bone marrow. This is not that everybody will suffer from this. It always depends on the other factors of the chart also. But in general, I'm telling you that if you're having any problems like the things which I told you, then you definitely have a weak sun in your chart. The sun can be placed in in an enemy's house without any support. It might be debilitated, or the dispositor won't be in a good position. So all these factors does matter. It is okay if you don't know about it, but definitely if you're facing such kind of problems, then your sun is weak. So we have seen the negative traits of sun. Now we have to do the remedies to fix these problems. So the remedies part, the remedial part, I will clear it before only, that this is not any sort of magic. It is something that you have to repeat day after day. See, minimum is 6 months. If you can prolong it for the rest of your life, it will be good for you. But you have to do it for minimum 6 months, and you have to change yourself in order to see changes in your life. See, whenever we have some problems, suppose a person has a money problem, what he will do, he will work harder so that he can earn more money. So in the same way, if the vitality of the body is being challenged, then you have to work hard in a physical form, and then only the astrological remedies will also help you out. So in order to change yourself, you should walk early in the morning, you should do exercises, yoga, pranayam, whatever you can do. This is, I'm talking about at the time of sunrise. And you have to take a diet which is rich in protein, and you have to take vitamin D and calcium tablets. And regarding the astrological part, you need to pray to Lord Surya and do simple remedies. Now those remedies are very simple and very simple, and you can do it right from your home itself. Now first of all, you should wake up early in the morning, have bath, and you should give arghya to the Surya every morning during the sunrise, or till the 1 hour after the sunrise. Then you should not perform this. So you should wake up early and you should give arghya. Now what is arghya? Arghya is nothing. You should take a copper vessel, fill it up with water, and then you have to offer it in the direction where the sun is rising. And you should see the sun, you should watch the sun, take energy from him. You should pray to him that, please Lord Surya, help me to regain my self confidence, my vitality, help me that I can have better relations with my father or authorities or boss, whoever you are facing problems with. And then you have to recite the Aditya Hridaya Stotram. Aditya Hridaya Stotram is freely available. You can get books regarding it. It is a small mantra, nothing more. And then you can chant Gayatri mantra also. The number of chants will be 2 to 3. So it is not that big, and it is not that difficult to recite it. So you should definitely carry out all these mantras, and use copper vessel only, and do not add anything in the water when you are offering it to the sun. Just take care, you should not add anything in it. Now the other part is, you can wear a copper ring in your ring finger. That will help you to gain vitality and to make yourself more confident. Then other thing is that you can use flowers, you can use the essence of flowers like kesar or rose in any form. See, you get agarbatti or perfume in the essence of kesar or rose. You can use these things on your body, in your house, in your office, wherever you are working. So this will lessen the bad effects of Surya in your life. And please give your respect to your father, to your authorities. The boss is after a boss. He might be wrong, but he is the boss. So you should just be gentle to him, be obedient to him, and then do all these remedies, even the physical things which I told about, taking the tablets and walking, or having or doing the yoga and everything. You should definitely do all these remedies, and it will help you out. And these remedies are such powerful remedies. It might not sound a very powerful remedy, but it is a powerful remedy if done continuously. Remember my words, you should do it continuously. You will definitely get positive effects in your life, and you will get the right treatment at the right time. See, astrological remedies are not magic. What it does is that you will get the right treatment at the right time, the right help from authorities at the right time. But it's a gradual process. So do not leave hopes, and continue with the remedies at least for 6 months to 1 year, and you will get confidence in yourself. So that's all for people with weak sun. Do try these remedies and stay happy. Thank you for watching the full video. If you like the video, then please click on the like button, subscribe our channel, press the bell button so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for now. Bye.